Add your videos in VN for edit. Click on Musi and select your audio and background music. Go to Zoom and select Zoom in. And click Apply to all. And add transition in all clips. And click on Layer. Add a yellow image. And make duplicate and apply in edge of video. Click on Text and select Jurassic font. And add your title.